Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. First step to do that, we must swipe up and go to the calendar apps. And there we pick day when we want to add our event, maybe 20th of December, and this plus icon. There we have title of our events, we can write and get emoji, and there we have time when the event start and finish, or we can take that will be all day. Location of event, what you want. When we get warning about it, 10 minutes before, at the time of event, 1 hour before, 1 day before, or custom, what you really want. Don't repeat, we can set repeat when we want. Don't repeat every 1 day, every 1 week. And notes to the event, and to save it we click that, save, and we have our event on our calendar right there. We can click there and we have some information about that what we describe. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.